So hey everyone, welcome back to the quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can see which website are storing data on your PC. Now, in order to do it, just simply open your browser and go to the browser settings. You can find settings on this top right corner. When you click on the three dots, just simply go to the settings and in the search bar, simply write site data. Now, once you type it over there, hey, either you can easily directly clear all the caches that have been stored by the sites, or you can directly go to this option of third-party cookies to find out the exact data that have been stored by the sites, or you can directly go to the site settings to check the data stored by the sites manually, and you can directly delete that particular data. For example, this particular site have been stored data of 4.5 KB. I can directly delete it just by clicking over there. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.